Whether you're an avid gardener or have pool floats lying around, the best storage sheds make for clean and easily managed spaces that'll easily store large items that just don't fit in your home or garage. With so many shed styles to choose from, knowing which is the best storage shed for your yard is no easy task. To help you decide, we researched the best storage sheds out there. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 outdoor sheds on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. UMAX 5x3 Outdoor Metal Storage Shed. If you'd prefer a metal option, the UMAX Metal Storage Shed is the best outdoor shed worth considering. It's available in 4 sizes, making it suitable for tool and equipment collections of any size. If you have bigger equipment to store, the larger sizes have a double door, rather than a single door, for ease of entry and exit. The shed is made with a thick, galvanized steel construction that is easy to assemble. Rainwater will run right off the sloped roof without sneaking in between the tightly connected pieces, so your stored items are sure to be protected. Plus, it's equipped with a latch for added security. The model has a thick, sturdy steel frame. Plus, it comes in 4 sizes, all of which are easy to assemble. The slant of the roof only goes one way, so you'll want to make sure that works with where you want to position it. Number 2. Suncast BMS 1250 Vertical Shed with Floor. The Suncast Vanilla Vertical Tool Shed is a great model if you have a small outdoor space or just don't want a large shed in your backyard. At less than 3 feet wide and with 22 cubic feet of storage, it won't fit a lawnmower but will do the job if you need to store gardening tools or sports equipment. The shed comes in 2 colors and is made with multi-wall resin construction that should hold firm against any inclement weather, meaning you won't have to worry about your stored items. The shed requires minimal tools to put together and is easy to clean, too, so you'll be able to keep it in good condition. There are also supports to add a shelf if you so choose, but keep in mind you'll have to purchase the shelf separately at an additional cost. Material, resin, dimensions, 32.25 by 67.5 by 72 inches, storage capacity, 22 cubic feet. Number 3. Suncast 8x10 Heavy Duty Resin Tremont Storage Shed. The best outdoor storage shed is Suncast's Tremont model, which offers 574 cubic feet of storage space. The shed provides plenty of room for all kinds of tools and equipment. The structure itself is made of multi-wall resin panels that are engineered to stand up to harsh weather. It also has a metal reinforced roof, so your belongings will be protected from water and UV damage as well. Plus, the reinforced resin floors won't buckle underneath the weight of your lawnmower. There are 6 skylights as well as windows on the doors to make it easy to find whatever you're looking for. 2 corner shelves are also included, which will help to keep small things, like watering cans and gardening tools, organized. Plus, it features built-in ventilation so you won't have to worry about the items getting musty over time. Material, resin, dimensions, 100.5 by 122.25 by 103 inches, storage capacity, 574 cubic feet. Number 4. Lifetime 6446 Outdoor Storage Shed. If you're looking for both a thoughtful design and large square footage, the Lifetime 6446 Outdoor Storage Shed is for you. At 15 by 8 feet, it approaches tiny house territory and can store a variety of garden tools and equipment in your outdoor space. On the outside, the shed is made of dual-wall, UV-protected high-density polyethylene with steel supports. The double-wall system is highly durable and is especially good at keeping the elements out. Screened vents allow for airflow, while 2 shatterproof windows and 6 skylights keep the shed bright so you can see all your stored items. To help with your organizational needs, the shed comes with adjustable shelving and 2 peg strips, which are helpful for hanging longer-handled tools. Product details. Material, high-density polyethylene, dimensions, 180 by 96 by 10.8 inches, storage capacity, not listed. This shed has a lot of components, make sure you follow the instructions carefully. Number 5. Rubbermaid Resin Weather Resistant Outdoor Storage Shed. The best outdoor shed that's easy to assemble and organize is the Rubbermaid 7x7 Storage Shed. The shed was intentionally designed with only a few parts to assemble, and it includes clear and easy to use attachment points that ensure the shed is ready to use in no time. Once it's built, it's compatible with a range of Rubbermaid accessories to help you stay organized. The outdoor shed has a durable resin construction that won't deteriorate over time. When it comes to protection from the elements, you'll appreciate that the roof can handle up to 15 pounds per square foot of snow, or other debris, and that the shed has a built-in rain gutter and increased ventilation. Keep in mind, though, that the shed isn't rated for wind resistance, so you'll want to place this shed in a more protected area of your yard. Material, resin, dimensions, 85.7 by 86.5 by 100.5 inches, storage capacity, 428 cubic feet. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.